Welcome, we hope you're having a simply splendid day in Alton Resort.
A splendid day.
Feast your eyes on the fantastical sights down below. All float along rather pleasantly, but we do ask you to remain seated.
I plan on standing up and
Chorus
dancing.
is, if ever was, drifting through the air, floating above the clouds, flying with the birds, taking in the view. It is quite a view, isn't it? But it might interest you to know that the gardens here haven't always been the lush, vibrant green and pleasant pastures that we see today. An extensive rabbit warren was how it was described by the 15th Earl in the early 19th century, situated in one of the wildest most desolate hills. And the gorgeous green now see all stem from beautiful blue. Because of course one marvellous magical ingredient that keeps the park flowing along nicely is, well, water. Not just any old water, no. Every lake, cascade, fountain or general water feature in Alton Resort is served by the natural springs in the nearby Weaver Hills. So next time you hear of water, rest assured that the water you see here is some of the very finest in the land. Now, while we're talking water, you may have been bowled over by the jaw-dropping signs of harmonic great problem.
But this is like, if it stops, I can't restart it. They come and rescue me upside down.
There are lakes too.
I think that's what's
The
going to kick,
natural
to be
water
honest.
here has made the Temple Lake home to some of the biggest ghost and mirror park you're ever likely to see. One super duper sized ghost car goes by the name of Jaws. Well, he weighs a whopping 30 pounds.
Oh, that keeps
And
like
measures
that.
a 90 metre in length.
Maybe 20 minutes off
Wildlife
now.
is everywhere in the park. And indeed, there are some pretty wild stories about
I sound great, so I didn't see any of that. Yeah, that's like an hour.
The whole family of them living under one of our rides by day before going out to play were nightfalls. It's always the quiet ones, I tell you. Alton Resort has always been a bit bananas, the same could be said of the 16th Earl during his time here. He managed to go
Traditional German sausages, that sounds like a sex shop.
It's a time when the bananas
Yeah, it is.
incredibly exotic fruit. The present day gardens are a celebration of the Earl's early work, and the mission of the 12 green-fingered gardeners here today is to stay true to the Earl's vision. And that just leaves me to say for the sky right now, boys to doctor, we hope you love the ride, and we hope you venture down to the gardens to soak in their splendor here soon. Enjoy your escape to Alton Resort.